Hello and welcome again on another video about the food game, about the website called the food game. Today I will show you how to upgrade your kitchen. Click here on the chef hat. This is the chef hat. Click on it. It will appear on a new window how to play the food game. Here in this page you will find everything you want about the food game and how to get gold, how to get rewards, how to get everything on the food game. Upgrade your kitchen. This video is about upgrade your kitchen. You can upgrade your kitchen to earn more points from each dish you cook. There are 10 kitchen levels, and each time you reach level 10, 20, 30 and so on, you can increase your kitchen level. Gold is used to upgrade the kitchen. Go to your kitchen and upgrade. This is the types of kitchen. Basic, salad bar, fast food place, family dinner, steakhouse, seafood, luxury restaurants, and many more. Let's go to this table. This table, we have here the kitchen. The kitchen, I have a basic kitchen. I am a legendary chef. I have a basic kitchen. And the gold I have is, as you see, how much gold I have. Here the basic. I will click on upgrade. As you see, this is the kitchen page. Here we have, in the bottom of the page, we have two choices. Upgrade your fridge or upgrade your kitchen. Look at here. You can upgrade your kitchen to a salad bar. I will click on upgrade kitchen. It is not easy being the best chef if you are cooking in a basic kitchen with just one burner stove, and if you have one pot and pan. This is why you can buy a better kitchen in order to earn more points for each recipe you cook. There are 10 kitchen level. I will click on upgrade. This is the first upgrade for me. Click on upgrade your kitchen. Look at here. This is a message to be aware. Look at here. Upgrade your kitchen to a salad bar. The cost is 25,000 gold. Click on upgrade your kitchen. And now the kitchen is upgraded to a salad bar. Look at here. Your kitchen is a salad bar. Your kitchen is a salad bar. Now I have upgraded my kitchen. You can upgrade your kitchen to a fast food place, or your current fridge is a mini fridge. I will upgrade my fridge now. I click on it because I need a good size of fridge. Upgrade your fridge. A small fridge costs 50,000 credits. I click on upgrade. Now I have a fridge, a new fridge. Let's go to home page to see. Now we are in the home page. This is the table. Look at here. I have 80,000 gold. The kitchen is a salad bar. The fridge is a small fridge, and it's good for me now. That's how you can upgrade your fridge and your kitchen. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you on next video about food game